The codes of light you carry inside anchor a new way of life. Heart-centered being, awareness and seeing. You are out on the leading edge.
Hello, Star Children. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing. This is a deck. I believe it's relatively new. I haven't seen it anywhere. It's called The Universe Has Your Back by Gabrielle Bernstein and artwork by Michaela Ezra. It's a 52 card deck, and I found this while me and John Michael were shopping at this beautiful little crystal store in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And this is $18.99, and it's 52 inspiring messages to help you open to the power of the universe. This inspiring 52 card deck offers spiritual guidance to help you find strength when you are down, synchronicity and support when you are lost, safety in the face of some uncertainty, and joy in all circumstances. Now it is in your hands. Surrender to the guidance that the cards provide, practice patience and peace, and trust the universe has your back. So this deck was created by Gabrielle Bernstein, and she's the #1 New York Times best-selling author of The Universe Has Your Back. She's been featured on Oprah's Super Soul Sunday as the next generation thought leader and appears regularly on Dr. Oz. Cool. So this is published by Hay House, and it's just really lovely. They had an open deck at the shop, and I'd never seen it before, and it was just like, wow, I really want to use this, but also put it on my Instagram because I think it's really empowering. And so I just thought it was really lovely, and so I decided to pick it up. And I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. Alright, so let's off to the video. Alright, so it comes shrink wrapped. I hadn't gotten really many decks at all until recently. I just hadn't been buying them. I think I bought the Bonefire Tarot, and then I hadn't gotten any more just because I've been, wanting to save money and all of that. But then John Michael got me the Illuminated Tarot, and then I got this. So it's been really nice. There's something so yummy about getting a new Oracle deck or Tarot deck, and they're just absolutely wonderful. And I'm so blessed to be able to get them. So yeah, so this is the box. It's a really nice box. Oh, it's kind of tight. It's size-wise, it's a little smaller than a Blue Angel. Ooh, it's kind of tight here. Ow. Just crushing my finger. That's good. Alright, so really nice box. I would say the quality is like a Blue Angel deck. And inside it says, you are the dreamer of your dreams. That's really pretty. I just love the art for this. This is what really caught my eye. And this in the inside of the bottom of the box as well. And it has a little paper thing on it. I love that that's not plastic. That's great. So that's really cool. So let's see. Alright, so this is what the back of the deck looks like. Just absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so then it comes with this one card. It doesn't come with a book. And it has a little bit about the artist and the author, and this is, hi Miracle Worker, I'm so excited you have picked up The Universe Has Your Back cards. My hope is that this deck will help you deepen your connection to the innermost part of yourself, blah 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 blah. So it's a little message from Gabrielle, I think. So there's that, and so here's the deck. So I love the simplicity of this deck. I think it's really beautiful. It's going to be great for Instagram. Because I really like on my Instagram posting things that are helpful for people and inspiring to people so that they can go out and become their truest selves and their greatest versions, and then through that inspire more people. So I really like to have Instagram as a platform for that experience. If you are interested in checking out my Instagram or my other social media, the links to that are in the description down below, along with my Etsy shop and my GoFundMes. Alright, so this is the first card here. It says, the moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. True healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. Ooh. It's really good. There is nothing sexier than an authentic truth. I didn't look through all of these cards at the shop. I just pulled a couple and I really like them. In every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me towards right-minded thinking and the energy of love. I am connected to my joyful presence. I attract support from the universe. Oh, and there's also, I believe, the moon that's on the back. The moment I embrace my peace within and surrender the outcome is the moment that the universe can truly get to work. Beautiful. Joy is the ultimate creator. I love that one. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. It has a dragonfly on it, which the dragonfly for me represents my spirit father, Brooks. He actually just got a dragonfly tattooed on him about a week ago, but he always sees dragonflies, and that's kind of like our thing. Whenever you see a dragonfly, it represents Brooks, so I always think of that. I love that. There is a stream of love surrounding my dreams. The universe works fast when I'm having fun. When I lean on faith, the universe, peace. When I lean on the faith of the universe, peace becomes real. Now, as for the cardstock, it's kind of a shiny matte. I don't know how else to, and the cardstock's actually really, really nice. The quality of this deck is lovely. Yeah, and the art is beautiful. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Oneness is my true nature. Oh my God, that one resonates with me so much. That yeah. I am loving energy of the universe. I am the loving energy of the universe. When I am aligned with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. Reading's always a good idea. Hope is the conduit for miracles. I surrender to a great power. Oh my God, today. Just woke up from a nap. I surrender to a power greater than me. Hey, that's kind of an interesting concept since we're all one. It's interesting. In any moment, I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. When I lean on certainty and faith, I change my mind about the world I see. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. My capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I am lost. That's really beautiful. I choose to learn through love. I'm just going to do a few more here because I don't want to show you guys the whole deck. The presence of love will always cast out fear. When I lean towards love, I am led. Through prayer and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. Ooh, I love that. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. My happiness is a direct reflection of the level of faith in the universe, in my level of faith in the universe. I find a deeper meaning and personal growth amid the discomfort. Oh, I really love that. All right, and there was one that I literally pulled 3 times when I kept shuffling through the deck. And I just wanted to show you guys because it just really resonated with me. Oh, I like this. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. That's beautiful. Oh, energy flows where my intention goes. It's really good. Obstacles are detours in the right direction. That's good. Ah, here it is. My energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. Just what's going on for me right now that like really, really spoke to me. Let's see, how about one more? When I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. That's beautiful. I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with eyes of love. I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I choose love. And it's beautiful. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. I am a spirit having a human experience. I am here to get closer to love. Oh, and I love that. That's so beautiful. So I'm really happy with this deck. As many of you know, I really like meaty decks. I really like decks that are like hard hitting. And I don't often get decks like this, but there was something about the art. I just thought this was beautiful. It was soothing. And I just thought it was a really beautiful like pull once a day card or something like that, or something to, like I said, to share on social media or to share with someone else. I just really love this. Like, this is the type of deck that I'd really want to like put on my coffee table. But also a deck that I feel like in the right moment would be perfect even for just like that moment of like discomfort or feeling like you need just a little light. Like, this would just be a really beautiful deck, and it's just visually stunning. Like, I could look at one of these cards and just like appreciate and have gratitude for the art itself. So that's why I got this. I don't usually get these, you know, I don't want to say like frilly decks, but I just don't often get decks like this. I usually like either get a tarot or I get an oracle deck that's like really in depth. So this was a little different, but I don't know, I was really drawn to it, and I'm hoping that its messages, you know, really help people and things like that. I really like this. I just pulled this. I didn't show this one. When I think I've surrendered, I surrender more. I like that. Anyway, so I really love this deck. I really enjoyed looking through it. Like I said, I didn't look through the whole thing when I was at the shop, so I was really excited to look through it. And I just think this is a really beautiful deck, and I'm really happy I got it. And yeah, so definitely be sure to check it out. It's called The Universe Has Your Back. The lid is like really tight. It's like really hard to get back on. It's really hard to get off too. Hold on. Come on, little one. Okay. So yeah, Universe Has Your Back. And what a beautiful idea that is, right? I think we often forget that it is us who limit the universe and not the reverse. I remember even when I was a Christian, my parents used to say that to me, you know, we limit God what he can give to us. You know, sometimes we get in the way of that, and I really like that. And so even though I don't believe in just like one God anymore, and I believe in source, like I still really resonate with that. It was like when we're in resistance, when we are in a state of lack, when we are not trusting, we don't allow for flow of energy and the universe, and it makes it a lot harder for things to come to us. So I really like the idea of the universe has your back because it's a very trusting concept, and I think that's really beautiful. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you'd like to check out my other social media, the links to that are in the description down below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a like and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Many blessings, namaste, and don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.